What's up, folks? How's it going? Today's interview question is give one example of lifecycle rules in Terraform. So we'll see a couple of them. Like one example, we'll see what is the lifecycle rule in Terraform. In Terraform, lifecycle rules are associated with resources to control their behavior during certain operations, such as creation, updation, deletion. And lifecycle rules allows you to define how the Terraform should manage the lifecycle of a resource, providing fine-grained control over resource management. So like when you're creating resource before creation, before updation, before deletion, or then you want to perform certain action, and you want to customize the behavior. So there are certain rules you can set during the resource, like in the resource block. And let's see the basic of documentation, manage resource lifecycle. And here, lifecycle arguments help control of the flow of Terraform operation by creating custom rules for resource creation and destruction. So basically, you can create a custom rule. That is the most important thing. You can create a custom rule. This is the uh, thing we need to remember. That lifecycle argument helps control the flow of your Terraform operation by creating custom rule for resource creation and destruction. Now, before going to create, before destroy, and all this, we'll see one example. So here I have one main.tf file where I'm creating a bucket and then I'm setting lifecycle rule prevent destroy. So it will prevent accidental destruction. Lifecycle rule prevent destroy rule and then setting time. Okay. So let's run Terraform init. Terraform init. I think I already executed, but let's run it once again. So once you see this example, it will be more clear. After that, I will go to the explanation. I'll show one example and Terraform plan. Terraform has been successfully initialized. Okay. One to add, zero to change, zero to destroy. So one bucket will be added, and this bucket will be created. But this bucket can be destroyed by mistake. In some rare scenario, we will be using that where someone should not delete that bucket, destroy that bucket by Terraform destroy once it's created, because we are storing some log files or some database backup. Some reason we don't want to destroy that. Okay, one added. So this is already created. And now, if I try to destroy, what happens? This bucket is created and lifecycle rule is set prevent destroy. So if I try to destroy it, Terraform destroy, I should get error, right? It should not allow me to destroy because the lifecycle rule is set prevent destroy. So I should not be able to destroy this. Okay. Yeah, I got error. Instance can be destroyed. So this SC bucket can be destroyed. Lifecycle prevent destroy is set, so it can be destroyed. To avoid this error, continue with the plan. Either disable lifecycle prevent destroy or reduce the scope of the plan using the minus target option. Okay, so now let's see what are the other keys lifecycle meta arguments. If you go to the article documentation, meta arguments, you'll be able to see lifecycle meta argument. Uh, mm, so there are a lot of information available here. You can go through it, but we'll quickly go through the concepts. Life cycle meta argument. So create before destroy. So create something before you destroy that resource. So maybe you are updating HTTP instance by creating new one, then destroying the old one. So in that case, you can have life cycle this meta argument create before destroy equal to true. Prevent destroy example, we have already seen that it prevents Terraform from destroying the resource even when explicitly instructed to do so. Even when I said Terraform destroy, it didn't delete it. It didn't destroy it. Okay. Life cycle prevent destroy equal to true. So this is under the resource block. Life cycle prevent destroy equal to true. This block is another resource block. The next one is ignore changes. Tell Terraform to ignore specific attribute of resource when changes are made to then outside of Terraform. So you have S3 bucket, you modified something, but someone else also modified something. Maybe so you don't want to override that actually, right? When you are on Terraform again. So you are asking Terraform, you just ignore it. Okay? So when to use lifecycle rules? Create before destroy. When you want zero downtime deployment. For example, rolling out a new AMI or EC2 instance, we want to use this. Avoid disruption during resource updates. Similarly, that can be other examples. When do you want to use prevent destroy? For critical resources, when accidental deletion can lead to significant data loss and down. In that case, you don't want to destroy. Like for example, production databases or log storage. And when you want to ignore changes, when external process manage certain attribute of the resource, you don't want Terraform to override and interfere. Terraform managing and someone else also modifying some data or some attributes, and you don't want to override it. So tags dynamically updated by other systems like AWS autoscaling or some other tags is getting dynamically updated by other systems. So you want Terraform to ignore them. Even if it changes, it should ignore them. Okay. So these are the cases, ignore changes, prevent destroy, and create before destroy. The important ones. So let's see the question I posted on my LinkedIn page, daily query section, daily challenges section. Which of the following lifecycle settings prevent a resource from being accidentally deleted in Terraform? So obviously, prevent destroy equal to true. This is the answer. Okay. So hope you like this video. Please like it and share it. This will motivate me to create more videos, and please provide your feedback comments so that I know what to add and what you liked about the video, what you don't like about the video. Please give both feedbacks, any negative, positive, whatever. And one more thing is like I also have WhatsApp channel and LinkedIn page. Please follow that because I conduct daily quizzes and sometimes contests also. You can participate in them. And thank you for watching this video.